Guys, I look so gross. I'm still sick. I'm actually waiting to get my car serviced right now, and I wanted to look at the new Gladiator Jeeps. I don't know, when I first saw them online before they were like out, I was like, ew, those are ugly, but now they're really growing on me, obviously with off-wheel tires like the one in there, the Rubicon. Oh, it's so nice. And then the top comes down automatically. Not that I need a pickup, but if I were to get another vehicle, this would probably be it. So, I'm not gonna say cute, because that's not the word, but imagine the modifications. We would definitely swap out those lights. I just can't get with these 2019 handles. I really can't. Looking like an SUV thing. New fenders, like I would like deck it out. Guys, I was meant to go to Whole Foods downtown, but I was not thinking, and now I'm going the opposite direction. But I just finished my workout today, hopped in the shower, put on a new workout outfit because I got some errands to run. I'm debating whether or not I want to get a car wash, which honestly I should, so I could take the top off of the Jeep. It's so dirty right now, and I refuse to take it off with bird poop and stuff because I store it in my trunk. That's supposed to be really nice this week. So I'm debating whether or not I want to do that. I'm going to drive by it anyways and see if it's busy, because it's one of those hand wash car washes, so it takes literally 45 minutes just to get your car washed, and that's if it's not busy. So I've got to do that. Maybe I definitely want to go to Trader Joe's because I'm craving steak and broccoli. So I want that to be my weekend meal. I'm gonna meal prep that for the next 2 days. I'm gonna get some kale salads, some watermelon, like really dense fruits that are high in like water content. That is what I'm craving today. I murdered my workout. I did a full body tone. I was only there for an hour. And you guys know that I'm not doing a lot of cardio. Like my workouts now aren't very heavy cardio based. I did 10 minutes. That's it. 10 minutes on the elliptical today. Normally I would do an hour, 45 minutes. So it definitely cuts my workout down in time. So I'm just using this as a testing period to switch up my activities to see, you know, how I kind of react to it. Granted, I still love my hikes, and those will probably be the base of my cardio. It's just way too hot to be going hiking unless you go at 6 o'clock before the sun is fully out. But that's just an update where I'm at with my gym and everything like that. I just uploaded this morning my week of workouts where I literally showed you guys what a week looks like, plus my rest days and all of that good stuff. So definitely check that out. This Whole Foods is the worst, and there's so many people waiting for me right now, but I'm not gonna start my car. I'm just gonna suffer in this 90-degree heat because I don't want someone beeping at me. But look, I found my space and I drove around so y'all can do the same. But I got a ginger shot because I just want to kick the rest of this cold that I have going on. I had a little bit of a cough today. And then I got a huge juice. This was like $13, and I will invest in my health, you guys. It is worth it. This is just an ounce of ginger. Oh, I regret the taste of this, but man, does it work. So cheers, guys. This has ginger in it too, but something about ginger being so concentrated. I watched the lady juice my thing. She put so much vegetable. You don't think about how much produce it takes to juice. Like, I have a juicer, but buying it all in bulk, washing it, cleaning up the freaking juicer, like, it's just not worth it to me. So that's my little treat after my workout, is treating myself to vegetables and juice. Like, I look forward to this, and I've noticed a huge difference in how I feel, my skin, my energy. This is the first thing I'm having today. Wow, my mouth is on fire. We love health. Back at Target, doing a little Target run. Storage containers, wet ones, trash bags, curry powder, paper towels, the random stuff. My favorite section is the tea. I'm gonna grab one of these stress reliefs. and positive energy. We love that. All the patio stuff is on sale. I can get these lights for $4. LA is great because it's summer all the time. Ooh. These might be cute. I came here for paper towels and this is what I end up with in my cart. Target, why you play me like this all the time? Let me get out of here before I pick anything else out that I don't need. I tried to be super healthy this time around. I don't know, this isn't gonna be a full-blown grocery haul. I just stuck to produce. For some reason, I'm craving greens. So I got these jumbo-sized asparagus. I don't like the thin ones. I don't know, it just doesn't taste as good to me. I got 2 broccoli kale salad kits. I got some cilantro to add some flavor to my salads as well. Got some broccoli. And I got a lot of fruit. Oh my gosh, so excited about this. These blueberries looked amazing. Honestly, I could probably eat this whole thing in 1 to 2 servings, which is great because they go off pretty quickly. I don't know about you, but I do not like mushy blueberries. Got some grapes, which I'm obsessed with at the moment. Some mango. And then I've been so sick of eating chicken, so I didn't really get any chicken today. I got this shaved beef steak, so I'm gonna saute that on the stovetop and pair it with like a brown rice. I also got sirloin steak as well, which those looked amazing, so I'll pop those in the broiler. And I also just got some ground beef as well for my meal prep. And then I got some snack stuff because I want to do a pool day tomorrow and hot tub tonight. So I got these rolled tortilla chips, which are chili and lime flavored. These are dairy free. They're amazing. They're just a little bit on the salty side, so I can't have too many of those, but it's still fire. Got more nanas. I had to get some salsa because what better thing to have poolside than some chips and salsa. I really like the cowboy caviar. It's very hearty. There's corn in it. There's black beans. It's not like on a liquidy side, so if you like texture in your food, you're gonna love this. So best salsa. It's not too spicy, but really flavorful. Got some apples with almond butter. Best snack ever. Got a nice little healthy fat, so I picked up some pistachios. These are salt and peppered. Ooh, okay, so this I think will be a great snack option. I love snacking on healthy things. And then I got a baby watermelon. So I'm gonna cut it in half and eat it right out of the rind. That's what I always do, and it just sounded so good, so it's even better when you pop it in the fridge. That was probably the quickest meal prep I've ever done. This steak, by the way, is fire. All I did was saute it on the stovetop. Super high heat. And I put some pink Himalayan salt and just black pepper. That's it, that's all. It's super tender and juicy and delicious, so I'm here for the steak vibes. Got some veggies here, which I steamed. A little tomato action, and then some brown rice. Like, how simple is this? But yet so easy. So I did like a mini meal prep. You guys know I don't like to meal prep in bulk for 5 days. Even 3 days is a little bit too long. I like my food to still be super fresh. These are all the veggies I'm eating today. I just really want the broccoli. I threw some vegan butter on that. I'm about to dive in. I'm so excited. I got way more things from Target than I anticipated to get. This is what happens when you go to Target for paper towels. You come out with everything. But guys, summer in LA, like, first of all, in California, usually lasts for months and months. So all of this stuff was basically on clearance. I got this little backpack for the pool because I literally use my pool so much. That's one of my favorite amenities. I love having my friends come over. We can day drink, play music, have hot tub nights, night swims. So it's always nice to have like your own personal cooler situation. This was on clearance for $10, originally 20 bucks. So it's cool because it's like isolated. I could put ice in here, put a few bottles of rosé, some champagne, some mixers, whatever, a bottle opener and stuff like that, sunscreen pockets on the sides. So it's just one of those like things that you don't really think that you need until you spend time at the pool. And it's so hot, it's like 90 degrees, right? So you don't want your drinks to get gross by the time you can get to them. So that was probably my favorite find. I got these cups as well for pool and hot tub sessions, so we don't have to have glass and stuff like that. You want to say hi? These are great when I have people over. I just really like this color. I think it's so pretty. So I got those. I got command hooks for these lights, which I want to put on the balcony. I don't know if I'm going to do that right now. Bev is going to come over soon, so maybe she can help me decide where I'm going to string them. These were only $4.48. What? Oh my gosh. Wait, is there an actual light in here? Or do I have to buy them? Okay, they're just really tiny. They're like Christmas lights. So I thought these were cute, a nice little neutral shade. They were like really marked down, you see that? But anyways, I love the opal house. That's like my theme outside. I also got this, again, another opal house item. This was on clearance for $14.98. And I wanted to get a candle holder that Leroy can't get to because the candle I have is like an outdoor candle and I just set it on the ground. So I don't really light it because it's not dog friendly. But this is a whole situation. I want to see if it fits like a Bath and Body Works candle in here. But this is going to look so cute on the patio, and it was on clearance, and she is so cute. So let me go get a candle, and we'll see if it fits. You are just like, what did mommy get me? I didn't get you anything. I did give you some of my steak though, so be blessed for that. Oh my gosh, yes. That's exactly what I wanted. Something to protect the flame. Ooh, I love this. Okay, and then I got a floaty because I just feel like it's not summer unless you have a floaty pick by the pool, but also I just love being in the water, so this will be really fun. I think this was like $20. It wasn't on sale or anything, but how could you be mad at a donut? And then I got basic stuff that I already put away. But I think I want to try to stick these outside. I don't even know if this is going to stick to the concrete. Do they make outdoor? Like, look, I don't even know, but we're going to try and figure this out. You want to go outside? I was thinking about putting them like here because there's an outlet right there behind the leaves. I think I have to take those lights back. I just realized it would be better if it was a white cord because the brown that it is does not look good at all. So it was worth a try. Wasn't it worth a try?